And today technologies like IoT, AI, computing, drones, robotics, all of these technologies act as tools, and these tools help students solve real-world problems which are very unique to India. And to solve those problems, whatever skills, resources, competencies, expertise, mentoring is needed, we offer them in Forge. This work that we've done for the past 2 years has been recognized by MHRD, and they have given Forge an opportunity to host the Smart India Hackathon Hardware Edition this week. So we are one among the 10 nodal centers that have been selected to host this 5-day long hardware hackathon happening in 10 different centers in India. And this week here in Forge, we have been given the theme import substitution. There are 9 teams, 9 student teams from different parts of the country who are working on very innovative solutions such as a bone conduction headphone. They are working on a railway track monitoring solution. They're looking to solve problems with air pollution, air monitoring, air quality monitoring and control, and several other very important solutions which currently are available only in the form of very expensive, very sophisticated imported products, for which these guys are building import substitutes. So we see a lot of potential in these ideas becoming startups, and post the hackathon, Forge and several other incubators, funds can work with these student innovators to convert their ideas into startups.
Hey there, we are Team Infinity and we have made a device whose name is EcoSaver, and it mainly is a smart device which has the power to make any normal device function as a smart device when attached with it. Okay, so she will tell you why are we making it.
Hey there, we are Team Infinity, and the question arises, why are we doing this project? So this is basically for the benefit of the government and all the multinational companies. So what we are basically doing is, we are saving the power, and which will reduce the electricity bill. So as we say, the power saved is money saved. So this project is basically for all the government institutions and the MNCs. Thank you.
So here's how it works. Here we can turn on the device remotely. We can also turn off the device. We can also time the device in different modes, like in television, air conditioner, computer or water heater. You can also time the device according to your need, like in timer mode. Set it for 5 seconds. Done. It will turn on for just 5 seconds and automatically switch it off. You can also monitor the current readings, like first we switch on the device. Yeah.
Hello everyone, we are Team Optimus from Chennai Institute of Technology. This is our device. It is called as air pollution monitoring system. In this device we have connected various sensors, and these sensors will calculate various parameters. From that parameters we will find out the AQI value, that is the air quality index, and with that we can say that the pollution is in what level, whether it is high or the environment is healthy or not.
Nowadays the people are not aware of the pollution, so they don't know what are the effects they got. Actually, the air pollution causes respiratory problems, sometimes cancer, sometimes asthma to the people. So we recommend that people should be aware of the pollution. So through our air pollution monitoring system, the people can be known about the various pollutants in their area, so that they can prevent themselves from getting into any troubles or diseases. This system, our target is to produce these systems for industries or the governments, so that they can monitor their own environment and prevent some health effects to the surrounding peoples. Actually, our air pollution monitoring system measures the various pollutants present in the air, so that with these details the government can provide these details to the people and make sure that people are aware of the pollution, so that they can take some preventive measures to don't get into troubles in like health effects.
Good afternoon. We are Team Blazing Dragons. The product which we are building is air quality monitoring device. We are participating in the Smart India Hackathon in the import substitution category. The problem statement given to us was by the state government of Tamil Nadu. The problem statement is that they need an air quality measuring device. Presently, it is an astonishing fact to know that the air quality inside our home is 5 times worse than the air quality outside our home. So, the primary cause of this fact is that in the inside, due to ventilation problems, many dust particles accumulates, and moreover, the gas produced in the kitchen, then the construction process in and around our house, it all affects and gets accumulated inside the house. So presently, we can say that there are no products which are being manufactured in India which are connected to IoT based and cloud services. Every air quality measuring devices, indoor air quality measuring devices, are being imported from foreign countries. So what we are building is that we are making we're building a product so that it measures the air quality inside our house and sends the data to a cloud, and we can see the data in an app. The indoor our product is not only based on for household purposes but also for hospitals, in factories where the air quality is worst in inside environments like foundries and printing presses where they use chemicals which may affect the workers working there. Why is it important for an industry to measure the air quality in the printing press or foundry is that the workers may gets exposed to these harmful gases in a day-to-day environment. So if the workers get any health problems, or it will eventually affect the company. So our aim is to make an air quality device and install it inside a factory, so that it will measure the air quality and it will send the data to our cloud, which we will provide it to the company, so that the company may take preventive measures if the air quality exceeds any particular limit. So by doing this, the company may reduce any future health cost for the workers.
So our project is to develop a tool or a system to enhance the power supply and reduce energy loss. So how it is relevant is that now if a break occurs in a line, everything is manual. The electricians have to find where the break has occurred. But by using our product, the chief engineer can just sit in his office and monitor. If a line break occurs, we have a, what do you call that? We have a dashboard where it indicates if the current is not there in a particular line, it indicates. So he can know that in this particular street there is no current or something happened, and he can send the electrician to send the lineman to the same to that particular place. Otherwise, now how it is, they have to go and check each line where the break has occurred. So this will make save a lot of manpower, and it becomes more efficient, and we can reduce energy, the usage of energy, and also it's going to be a little more very helpful for the government, because the time which takes the time that it takes now is can be saved, can be minimized. So that's the relevance of our product. Now we have just developed a prototype for the demonstration.
Hello everyone, my name is Kulwant. We are from Hyderabad, from B. Viraj Institute of Technology. We are working on a project called air control monitoring system, where we measure the amount of gases which are good or either bad in a particular area, so that we'll know the amount of gases which are there and we can take measurements before going to that area. So we are basically working on 7 sensors which detects the gases. And we have created a module such that you can deploy the sensors like a plug and play. There is rapid increase in air pollution nowadays. They're estimated across 4 billion air quality monitoring systems by 2022. So we have developed a system where it's portable, effective, and user-friendly, where you can wall mount or you can carry this anywhere. Basically. We have even included a LCD display where if there is a problem with the internet connection, you can read the values live with less than 1 second. And on the other part, you can retrieve the data anywhere through cloud. Even it's a fast, effective way where you can share the data to air control monitoring systems and boards, so that they can take measurements where in a particular area you can plant trees so that it reduces the global air pollution, creating a effective planet.
Hi all, and our team name is Solarians, and we are coming from Taalk College of Technology. This is a civil computing project, and here we have that India is importing 5.5 million units of electricity
from Bhutan, and as per the data collected, about 10% of villages are not yet even gaining only 10% of electricity is gained by the villages and all the villages, and only few of the villages doesn't even know what is electricity at now. So as the renewable energy resources are depleting now, so we have to just move on to the renewable source of energy. So the only free source what we are getting is a sun. So we can opt for solar panels and we can gain solar energy. So that now as we place a conventional solar panel, it will take about large span of area. So what is our concept and for solve this problem is, with a small base of land, we can with a minimum amount of land we can produce lots of solar energy, so that it will help for rural as well as urban areas, and it is a technological growth, and we can also even so that it is a profit for India that without electricity we can just gain electricity from solar panels.
We are from Team Brahmanch. Our project is bone conduction technology based headphone. In this headphone there are some unique features, like it is placed over the cheekbone. That's why if the ears are open, it can be used in the application area like for the military purpose, for general public, for medical purpose, like for conductive hearing loss. So if it is placed here, even if you are blocking the ear, you can hear the voice too. So this is our version 1, and we are making another version which is very close to the product. Our plan is to make it as a product. That's why we are going for technical specifications, and we are going to take feedbacks from the people by distributing it. Meanwhile we will do we will measure the technical specification, but we are searching for the funds, because it requires lots of efforts to have a list of technical measurements. So if we are getting any opportunities after this, then our plan is to go beyond that level to manufacture this and make a company.